Hello class, today we will be starting our nutrition unit, and what a better way to get started than by starting off with the new MyPlate. Back in the day we used to have a food pyramid, but now we've moved on to a more efficient, accurate, and better way to categorize our food groups called the MyPlate. The first food group that we're going to be learning about is the fruits. Next we'll be learning about vegetables, following grains, after that protein, and last but not least, dairy. As you can see, students, each category, each food group has its own section on the plate, with dairy being a supplemental portion. We're going to dive into each one of these food groups and learn more about the portion sizes, what foods make up each of the food groups, and how we can better eat and have healthy lives. Our first food group is the fruits. Did you know that by drinking 100% fruit juice, that counts as your daily fruit intake? Some examples of fruits include apples, watermelon, oranges, and bananas. Fruits may be fresh, canned, frozen, or dried. It may be whole, cut up, or pureed. Recommended daily amounts for fruit are 1.5 to 2 cups. Some fun facts about fruits include that fruits provide nutrients for vital health and maintenance of your body. Vitamin C, also found in fruit, is important for growth and repair of all body tissues, helps heal cuts and wounds, and keeps teeth and gums healthy. Up next are the vegetables. Did you also know that by drinking 100% vegetable juice, that also counts as your daily vegetable intake? Vegetables may be raw or cooked, fresh, frozen, canned, or dried or dehydrated, and may be whole, cut up, or mashed. Some examples of vegetables are broccoli, green beans, carrots, black beans, and eggplant. Vegetables are categorized into 5 subgroups based on their nutrient content: dark green vegetables, starchy vegetables, red and orange vegetables, beans and peas, and other vegetables. Recommended daily amounts for vegetables are 2 to 2.5 cups. A fun fact about vegetables is that vegetables are important sources of many nutrients, including potassium, dietary fiber, folate, vitamin A, and vitamin C. Next are the grains. Any food made of wheat, rice, oats, cornmeal, barley, or another cereal grain is a grain product. Bread, pasta, oatmeal, breakfast cereals, tortillas, and grits are all examples of grain products. It's important to know that grains are divided into 2 subgroups. First being whole grains, which contain the entire grain kernel, the bran, germ, and endosperm. An example of whole grains are whole wheat flour, oatmeal, and brown rice, such as brown rice right here. Refined grains, which is the second subgroup, have been milled, a process that removes the bran and germ. This is done to give grains a finer texture and improve their shelf life, but it also removes dietary fiber, iron, and many vitamin B items. Some examples include white flour, white bread, and white rice. Recommended daily amounts of grains are 5 to 6 ounce equivalents. It's important to note that at least half of all the grains eaten every day should be whole grains in order to get all the nutrients that you need. A fun fact about grains is that eating whole grains may help with weight management. Following the grains, we have protein. All foods made from meat, poultry, seafood, beans and peas, eggs, processed soy products, nuts, and seeds are all considered protein foods. Some examples include beef, chicken, eggs, and mixed nuts. Recommended daily amount servings for protein are 5 ounce equivalents. A fun fact about protein is that B vitamins found in this food group serve a variety of functions in the body. They help the body release energy, play a vital role in the function of the nervous system, aid in the formation of red blood cells, and help build tissue. Last but not least, we have the dairy group. All fluid milk products and many foods made from milk are considered part of this food group. Most dairy group choices should be fat-free or low-fat. Some popular examples include cheese, yogurt, and milk. Recommended daily amount servings for dairy are 3 cups. A fun fact is that the intake of dairy products is especially important to bone health during childhood and adolescence when bone mass is being built. There we go, class. This concludes our introductory video on the nutrition side of MyPlate. As we learned today, it doesn't take much to keep ourselves healthy with the fruits and vegetables, protein, dairy, and grains that we need to live and eat a happy, healthy, well-balanced diet and lifestyle. Until next time, students, remember to think twice before you put something on your plate, and remember the portion sizes and amounts of servings that you should be having every day of each of the food groups. See you next time.